Well, good morning, team members with the Power Lead System. You're probably looking at my YouTube channel if it's your first time with Coach Laudiaann. I'm here to help you start a business online. So, are you ready to take action? Is your mindset ready? And you have that desire to really quit your 9-to-5 job? Oh my gosh, my dog. I'm walking my dog. I walk my dog every day. And the sky looks gray right now. It looks like it's gonna rain. But anyway, guys, today I'm taking action today. Last night, what I did with my business is I went into all my YouTube videos and I redid all my content and tried to score my SEO. And honestly, it took a lot of work. Just changing, improving my content on my videos, relating it to the video that I just created. So it was a lot of work. Today, this morning I just uploaded another video called Bump Up Affiliate Program. It talks about the weekly training. What is with this little dog? It talks about the weekly training that we have every Wednesday. And if you're part of the Power Lead System team, I would actually recommend you guys to listen to it, all the training, at least 3 to 5 times. Understand how to advertise. If you have that good understanding, then you know you will make money online and you will know how to do it. All the training is there. And every time I watch one of those videos, it always encourages me to be uplifted and motivated for that very moment. There goes my dog again. Anyway, what I'm going to do when I go back home is I'm going to go on Facebook and start advertising my videos. Because what you need to do and have the desire is you need that exposure. So branding yourself, your image, your videos is exposing yourself to the public. Okay? So get ready. If this is your day to start a business today, start up with the Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is part of the Power Lead System. Try Lead Lightning first and see it is for you. And if this is what you need, if you're a marketer, I guarantee you're going to have leads fast. It's a proven system. The capture pages are set up as a sales funnel. It sells itself. All you do is just promote your affiliate link or your capture page that you created with the Power Lead System in case if you upgrade. And that's all you got to do. Every day, persistent, consistent, put up a video, share it on Facebook, share it with your Twitter, share it with your Tumblr, share it everywhere, share it all over the world, share it to your Facebook profile, to your friends, and word of mouth too as well. And that's all you got to do with the system and make money with the system. I'm excited because I'm already producing residual income with this, and you can too. All right, take care, guys. Talk to you soon.